For nearly 20 years, Vectra Mechanical has been the go-to contractor for HVAC, plumbing, and electrical across Colorado. But did you know, our commercial team has been installing and servicing refrigeration systems almost as long. From design to installation, and even repairs, we handle all your commercial and industrial refrigeration needs. Take this recent job, for example, a busy food prep kitchen needing upgrades and additions. We installed new kitchen hood systems over steam stations and dishwashers, added high-performance exhaust fans on the roof, and outfitted the space with a blast cooler and walk-in refrigeration unit for precision cooling. This client came to us for multiple renovations and trusted us again for this latest refrigeration install. Our licensed pros ensured everything was up to code and running smoothly, with minimal disruption to the kitchen. And Vectra can handle the engineering too, ensuring every system is custom designed to suit your space and your business needs. So if you're in need of commercial refrigeration done right, trust the team at Vectra Mechanical to make it happen.